This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, December 21st, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We have a negative tilt trough moving in across Texas into Oklahoma. This will be lifting north and eastward later today into Sunday. Ridge over the south and east will be the reason why it'll be kicking up to our north and east. A little bit of activity will be beginning maybe late in the afternoon across the far southeastern counties as maybe a mix with the better organized precipitation coming in later this evening. You can see here by midnight the heaviest snow will be entering the state at that point if this is to be right. The low pressure center over about Evansville, Indiana with a strong batch of thunderstorms across the Mississippi Delta. And then the low pressure center by noon Sunday will be just to the east of Detroit or between Detroit and Toronto, and the snow will be tapering off at that time, so the main window looks to be midnight to noon. When we take a look at our snowfall accumulation map, this is from the Weather Network, and you can see pretty much a band of about maybe 7 to 10 inches of snow. Could be a little more, a little less than that, across in the dark blue, 4 to 7 surrounding that, and lighter amounts further off to the west. Going back to the GFS, here Monday as the system departs, now the GFS has maybe a few clouds and a flurry around, but otherwise the lake effect will take hold across the lakes. Temperatures will be struggling to get near zero. Christmas Eve morning could see temperatures sub-zero in many areas, especially in the eastern half to two-thirds, with temperatures warming up at least into the teens above zero for highs, before another clipper system moves in Christmas Eve night into early on Christmas Day. Temperatures Christmas Day will likely range anywhere from about 20 to 27 degrees across the area, with partly to mostly sunny skies by late in the day. Day after Christmas, you can see the GFS wants to put in maybe a little flurry activity around, but nothing too substantial at this point, if this is right. And then we start a flurry of activity coming in from the north and west. High pressure moves in on the 27th. It looks to be followed by maybe a clipper system late on the 27th that'll be moving through the Dakotas down in our direction. And then you can see by a week from today, next Saturday, we have another clipper system approaching from the north and west, and this one looks more vigorous than the others. Winds will be out of the south and temperatures could be warming up by that point. A couple days after that, New Year's Day, we have a polar vortex just over the Hudson Bay down into the Great Lakes, in fact. This will just be enforcing the cross-polar air coming in from Siberia straight across the pole and straight into our neck of the woods. Looks like another clipper system is going to be coming through with another rush of cold air that could bring temperatures down near or below zero once again to start the year. And at the end of the forecast on January 5th, well, the polar vortex is now moving way back to the north again, thank goodness. And temperatures may moderate a little bit, thank goodness. Another trough axis and shortwave coming through, and that may kick off some more snow, as if we're sick of the winter already, and it's only beginning today. So, unfortunately, we still got 3 more months of this to go, unfortunate. Satellite image from last evening, you can see the system beginning to take shape off to our south and west. Subtropical jet coming in from the eastern Pacific up into Texas. There could be a little bit of wintry mix, ice, a bunch of activity across the area. You can see that with the watch warning map. Winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, ice storm warnings, freezing rain advisories, winter weather advisories, flash flood watches, all over the place with some wind advisories in there as well. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing precipitation around here from almost nothing in the northwest to maybe upwards to 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch over the southeastern counties.